Morning gentlemen, today I am going to give information about the String of Pearl initiative. String of Pearl initiative is a geopolitical strategy that refers to the network of military and commercial facilities developed by China in countries falling in Indian Ocean till Port Sudan, which is a city in country Sudan. Basically, China wants to safeguard the trade routes passes through Indian Ocean and various choke points like Strait of Malacca, Strait of Hormuz and Lombok Strait. China's 80% of oil import passes through the Strait of Malacca. According to US researchers in the year 2004 and 2005, this initiative is a threat for the national security of India. Taking China's consideration, China has presence in Kyokpu port of Myanmar, which gave them direct access to Bay of Bengal. China has also made 2,400 km gas pipeline connecting Kyokpu in Myanmar and Kunming in China. China is also having military base in Myanmar's Coco Island. China has also developed the Chittagong port of Bangladesh and is continuously approaching to build a naval base. Chinese companies have also developed the Hambantota port of southeastern part of Sri Lanka and is administrating as they have taken it for lease for 99 years. And because of China-Pakistan economic corridor, China has access to the Gadar port of Pakistan, which help them to directly access the Arabian Sea as well as to send troops and armor if in case of Sino-India conflict. And China directly or indirectly owns more than 100 ports of 63 countries, which includes Djibouti port, Sukna port of Egypt, Santiago T port of Cuba, then TCP Participagas port of Brazil, and Chanqui port of Peru, and many more. And for countering the String of Pearls initiative of China, India has adopted a double fishhook strategy by developing Chabahar port of Iran, Sittwe port of Myanmar, and Sabang deep sea port of Indonesia. India has also access to the Changi naval base of Singapore and the Coco Kelling island of Australia. Apart from this, India has made many military and naval relationships and have enhanced the reforms as well. Also, India has developed the coastal radar networks and increased the diplomatic ties between the countries which are covering China, such as Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan and Mongolia, so that India can cover in future if in case of any conflict. All these steps are taken and are currently in execution by India for countering China's String of Pearls initiative. Thank you, gentlemen.